So I just bought a new car. It's a 2016 Range Rover Sport.
I was only joking when I told you to go for it. Still go.
So, it's been a while. Today, Dad and I, we've come to the Land Rover Owners Show in Peterborough. We quite like Land Rovers, so that's why we came. We've got a Discovery, and that's also a Discovery. That's a Discovery. It's a Freelander. That's a Defender. That's a Man. Yeah, people who like Land Rovers, they just come here. That's what you do. But also later, there's an off-road course that we're going to go on. To get some good shots of that as well. So.
Landmark, what was the other one called? Spec.
Graphite. This guy's quite big.
He's doing a fell off.
Is it a puppy?
It's 17 weeks.
Dan, I want to go.
That's what you do. You have to lie about your age and get my
Wait.
Where you come to Spanham Church Lane, you turn up and go right.
Gutted. This is my second purchase of the day. Ex-Army Defender. Oh, that was really easy to get into actually.
That's all sorted. Give her an invoice to get her.
It's actually quite spacious up there. Just bought a suction mount, which I think I'm going to put there. So, angles in it. Camera here. Camera here. Camera here. Technically, cameras here as well.
Any tips? Go for it. Like, if you go there, go around to the left, there's marshal guide around the corner, so different guidance that you need. Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Finnish off-road course. There we go. Whoa. Doesn't seem too much wrong with it. Do you want it muddier?
It's got to be a bit muddy up the side.
That's a really weird mark there, isn't it?
That's got to be a bush or something that we hit.
Yeah. It's muddier on this side. Where do we go? It's a bit muddy. So Dad, did you enjoy that?
Oh, it's beyond enjoyment.
Definitely worth the £20.
£20, I think, out of the charges. It's phenomenal.
It was an adrenaline rush.
Took my life at the end of the couple of times.
We're leaving now.
Nerves shredded.
No, shredded. Right, so we're back at the main event now. We're gonna take back a suction mount for my camera because it broke, and I've got mud all over my coat.
Well, what a surprise! You opened the door at the wrong time.
Did
Your
yeah.
trousers rub on the edge of the door.
This bad boy. That is Defender gold. So, are you proud of your mud?
Yeah.
Can we get a picture of you looking triumphant in front of your car? Like just stand in the middle. Just... See, the thing is, there's mud all over the door handle, so I have to be like, there we go, like so that I don't get my fingers dirty. Right.